how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness. So what you're gonna have to do first is open up your Exness account and get your deposit address. Once you have pressed the deposit option over here, you can choose the same network from the USDT, and you're gonna have to copy your address from this section. Once you've copied your address, just go ahead directly into your Trust Wallet account and choose the send option. So once you're pressing on the send and you search for USDT, you should be able to find that option if you do have the amount. But if you don't, you can of course press on the buy cryptocurrency option. The same process as searching it. So just choose on the USDT option over here. You can choose the amount you want from your currency. You could either do multiple methods of payment, but once you have done that, press on continue and go back to the send option for USDT. So once you press on send, you should be able to see the address or domain name. This section is where you'll paste the address you got from Exness. Just paste it over here. Choose the destination or network, which you should have already chosen for as USDT. Then put in the amount of what you have. You can also place on max over here if you'd like, but just go ahead and press on next. Verify the purchase and confirm by going back to Exness and seeing if the purchase has went through. But that's pretty much how you transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.